Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jawad Imran and this project is made by Muhammad Jawad Imran and Muhammad Junaid Hussain. The project name is Car Parking Management System. Before I tell you the detail of this project, I would like to introduce it, that how the project works and what is its purpose. The car enters from here and this IR center detects the car and servo motor opens the barrier. Inside we have 4 slots labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the car comes fills that slot, for example slot 3 and 4 is filled, so the we have a display here on an app that 3 and 4 is not available and 1 and 2 is available. So before telling the detail, I would like to tell you that what point came in my mind to make this project. And we have huge parking plazas or long parking bays, and the customer when goes to that parking, he he finds slots to park his car, and in that he wanders around if any slot is available, and it consumes fuel and time. So why not at the entrance of the parking, the man at the entrance of the parking tells the customer that at that slot at that floor is available, so you go and park your car there. So we made this project on this basis. Now if I remove the hurdle from slot number 3, we can see that here it shows that slot number 3 is available. Slot 1, 2 and 3 are available. So slot 1, 2, 3 and available, 4 is not available. Now let's come to the coding of the program of the project. Here you can see that if the we have declared all the sensors, 5 sensors as one, and then we assigned these sensors to sensor read on that are the pins of the Arduino. Next, we have used the if-else coding technique in its programming, that if the for example on S2 read we have attached the slot number 1. Here you can see space 1. We have attached space 1 or S2 read. So if a slot number 1 is available, so now it's giving a low signal to the Arduino. Low signal means it's giving 0. And high signals, if we put a hurdle in front of the slot 1, it will give high signal, that is 1. So when we get a high signal on S2 read, it will print that the slot number 1 is available, and if we get a low signal else, then we will it will show that the space number 1 is not available. So this technique is used in the programming for all the slots IR sensors in the prototype model. Also we have a coding for slot number for the sensor used at the entrance of the parking, that if this we have a S1 read is attached to the slot to the sensor number 1, that is the sensor of the servo motor here. So if it gets a low signal, that is 0, then the servo motor will remain at 180 degree. That is S1 read. If S1 read is low, then the servo motor will remain at 180 degree. Else if we give a high signal, it will go to the 90 degree. Now if we remove hurdle, that is a car, from slot number 3, so the slot number 3 is now available. Here we can check that slot number 3 is available. Here the slot number 3 is available, and we can see that slot 1 and 3 and 2 are available, only slot number 4 is unavailable. At the end, I would like to tell you that I have marketed this project in a service center of a Honda. They have 26 service bays in the sensor. I have marketed it there and had a very positive response. They said that the HR of that center said that you can visit again, and made a very make a very professional presentation and give it in front of our staff and officers, so we will think that if we have to implement this on our center or not. So they gave a very positive response. I would like to implement this on a large scale and professionally. Now let's hope for the best. So we also made a prototype. Before making a prototype, I have made this label diagram on a paper before making this. So guys, the total cost of this project is almost 7 to 8,000. It's include all the major components and the products used in this prototype. Also, this app is used in this project. And the project includes this app, software interface also, and this is the physical interface in front of you. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope for the best to implement this project on a professional large scale unit. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.